Magnolia on her cooking show. Today we're going to be making water with some chocolate inside. And it has a hint of chocolate. Oh, it's really chocolate. I need to take a sip. It doesn't taste that good because it's dark chocolate. So chocolate not that good. Oh my. It's dark.
How is it?
Really chocolatey. I got some cups, filled it up with my famous chocolate. Come on. So first you will place it in some water, put some chocolate chips in. You let it sit there for a few hours or minutes. You check it out a few times. And then when you're done, you will just pour it into a pot. By the way, I have a teapot. I'm gonna fill it up with some more. Just see what it looks like. Really high. It's like dog poop. Ew. It's kind of gross. But that's my cookie.